What's up? KDiani here in the cut. And yes, I am a blonde. If you didn't know, now you know. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve the Pop Smoke inspired braids. So the hair I'm going to be using today is the Yaki Hollywood in 613. Usually I would use Expressions or Bobbi Boss, but the way coronavirus is set up right now, it's like you can't even step into the beauty supply stores, and people are buying stuff to do their hair at home on their own. And I'm just like, who has 613 hair like that? But it was out, and then this is all they had, so this is what I had to settle for. So hopefully it comes out good with this type of hair. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, my hair is semi blown out, combed out, you feel me? I'm going to part my hair down the middle. Oh, child. So I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. That ain't the middle. Okay, down the middle. And I'm gonna use some jam to hold it down. I'm going to be using the Let's Jam. It's my favorite. Just grab some and put it down here. Hopefully this don't turn my hair green. But yeah, I just bleached my hair like, what, a week and a half ago or like 2 weeks ago. And look at this new growth. Mad wild. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like it because my edges been translucent. So I'm waiting for it to get dark. Alright, so check me out. Part down the middle. Alright, so I'm gonna work on one side first. I'm gonna make this side like this size. I'm gonna go on ahead and just demonstrate the first one, and then I'll go ahead and section the rest. I just want to see how I'm going to go about this. So now I'm going to take out the hair, and I want it long, and it looks like this. So I'm not gonna cut it down the middle or anything. I'm gonna just use it as is. Alright y'all, so I couldn't demonstrate and talk, but what I'm doing right here is just smoothing out the hair because you want it as smooth as possible. So then here I'm grabbing a rat tail comb and creating a section, and I'm going to split it into 3 and start braiding. After a couple braids, I am going to go in ahead and add in my first piece of hair. Throughout this whole process, I do add between 7 to 8 pieces of hair. The 8th piece is usually just to make the hair the length that I want it to be, and you'll see in the clips shortly. So yes, use a brush to keep your hair intact so nothing is left out. You want it to look as smooth as possible. As y'all can see, my edges are like mad translucent. I can't do no swoop-de swoop and none of that. But this is basically the method that I use. I just add in hair, braid a little bit, and then add in the next piece of hair. right now is where you see I add in the hair. Not a crazy big piece, a decent size, but just so I can add that length to the braid, because I didn't want it like short or whatever. I kind of wanted it to touch my hip length. I wanted it like hip length. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all one more time how to do it. It's really easy, not that difficult. So basically the first thing I do is glaze up that entire section and try to keep away any flyaways hair from the section next to it. Once you finish glazing it up, you want to make sure you detangle and smoothen out your hair, because you want it as smooth as possible. Once you smoothen it out, grab a rat tail comb, create a small rectangular section, split the hair into 3 and begin to braid. After a couple braids, that's when you go in and you add your first piece of hair. Here I was a little bit confused as far as how I was going to insert it, because that side really wasn't my dominant side, and it's always hard when you're doing your non-dominant side. So it took me a little minute to adjust to it. So here I'm just showing you the clips how I'm adding in the hair. This hair that I was using though, it tangles up really easily. I wasn't really happy with that, but it was okay for my first time using it though. It got the job done. But I don't think I would use it again personally. But yeah, y'all, this is basically how you do it. You should have like 3 braids on the sides and then 2 in the back. So you should have 8 braids in total. And I only used 2.5 packs of hair. Alright y'all, so this is the results of my hair. At first I was a little iffy about it because this is my first time using 613 hair, and it's like matte bright, but super cute. I do like this hairstyle. It's different, you know, I'm rocking with it, so it's a vibe. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this hairstyle. How did I do? Any tips just in case I want to do this hairstyle again, which I probably would because it's quick and easy. It probably took me about an hour and a half to do, so you can do it too. Just get your section in and then just add in hair like you regular braiding. But that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video. But till next time, mucho besitos.